Bharli Vangi, that is stuffed brinjal. Ingredients: small size brinjals, cut like this, one cut this way and another cut this way. For masala, chopped onion, roasted groundnut powder, chopped coriander and chopped garlic, freshly grated coconut, chili powder, salt, goda masala and jaggery. For garnishing, chopped coriander and freshly grated coconut. 1 tablespoon tadka, that is mustard seeds cracked in hot oil with hing and turmeric powder. Procedure: mix masala. Stuff this masala into brinjals like this. Now spread tadka on it. Spray some water on it. Cover it. Make small slits. Now microwave on high power for 5 minutes, then low power for 5 minutes and standing time for 5 minutes. Now garnish with chopped coriander and grated coconut. Now our dish is ready.